Good morning, everybody. Today's vlog is going to be a little different. I'm here at a secret location. Can't give you the full address, but we're outside. And today's not going to be a normal video. We are heading over to Maryland to look at a car that hopefully is good and is something I want. I'm already here with Mark. We've been here for about 20 minutes because the trailer situation was a joke. But any second now, someone is pulling up. Someone you guys might know.
Can't open my window, it doesn't go back up. Fuck. Don't film me, I go weird when I go on camera.
We're gonna die today.
Hey, he's a good driver, right, buddy? Shit, Burnout, I'm glad you said something.
What are we doing?
I don't have any window wipers.
We're inside right now. Photo of it? Oh, good. What? I can't believe that fits me. Gone wrong in the hood.
Oh, man.
Oh my god. We didn't buy the car.
It was a piece of shit.
Yeah. Sorry, Alex, if you see this. It was mid, but.
That's a power steering reservoir down there. What the fuck? It's just built-in pump.
All right, guys. Well, we're about to go bowling.
Don't open that shit. Gonna beat everybody at bowling. They just don't know it yet.
And today, we're ripping apart Mark's car. So, we're gonna jump straight into this. All right, first step, strut brace. So take another bite, bro. Take another bite. Yeah, let me feed you one. Come on.
What the hell's going on, man?
Why you get mad?
You're interrupting his stuff.
Come on. Right now, Mark's disassembling the intake. You guys probably done this 200,000 times. But slowly and maturely, this will come on. Hose here, 2 clamps. Do you have a bolt there or no?
What bolt?
Nope. And it comes right off. Oh yeah! Wait. Oil check.
Not no longer.
Oil check. Here we go, Mark.
I'll put them off at the moment. Fuck this ratchet.
Whoa, running.
Got running. It's running away on me.
I got 4.
Basket.
Outer plentum bolts. I don't think Mark ever puts his back in order, but... And it's gone. Rats. Okay. You guys see? Ew. Still got more bolts.
Doing inventory, they had to count every single item.
2 more, right? Oh, and then one more on the other side.
Like, that's crazy shit.
Oh, the plenum spacer stayed with it.
And they pay me the 40 hours in a paycheck, and then anything over
What's going on?
they pay me cash. Just not
Need help?
So it was tax-free, bad bread, it was nice.
Is it brand new?
I don't give a fuck if it's fucking brand new.
Not anymore.
Bob.
Well, guess what? The Plenum Spacer was not supposed to come with it, so see my ass.
It's like famous brand.
Looking good.
Like some other company that's like selling it,
cleaned
it's
it
like an
before.
Olive brand.
Why are you putting that back on?
I got
You're gonna need
a
it.
fuel filter.
I know, but it's coming off the lower.
I know.
I got a CarQuest. I got a.
Alright guys, Mark is autistic. Okay, he wasn't that time.
You know, you can't do it over my battery's gotta die.
I think he's not locked in. I think he's deep. Damn, black is night.
6 brand new injectors.
Black is night. They're not brand new. Oh yeah.
6 semi-new, slightly used injectors.
I'm just gonna slowly become a god at my shop. They're gonna call me a wheel-bearing god. Wheel-bearing god?
Shut up, Nick!
No,
Shut up!
never.
Pull the plenum off, bro. Look, so what we're doing, we're taking that plenum and we're putting this newer, nicer one on right here. It is. It's the plenum. Mark the plenum spacer.
I just cracked.
Don't worry, we got more SPX hoses.
What's your mouth?
Nico, you remind me of fucking Plankton, bro. You know that?
Plankton, you said?
Yeah, that's fun to go.
Is Mark's lower plenum nice? Here we go. All right, he had a little leakage here. Not bad, not bad. That shit is dirtier than my fucking G, bro.
You're dirty.
You know what I will say though? I think these are never replaced. I'll give that 5 big booms. Boom, 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 boom. I think he knows the guy. Oh, okay.